Hi, my name is Michael Johnson. I'm the key CAD designer as well as the sketch artist here at Chalmers Jewelers in Madison, and today I'm going to walk you through how I designed this piece. Every custom piece first begins with a concept. We sit down with the customer. That concept is articulated to us as best as the customer is able to tell us what they want. That concept is taken and I breathe life into it here on paper. In real life, you don't actually see all of the necessary detail that's important to many of our customers. So after the initial sketch is completed, the customer has had some time to look it over to make sure all of the necessary details are in place. Everything that they want is right here. We then transition to the CAD process. So beyond the sketch, we transition to this. This gives you a true-to-life rendering with all of the reflections in the metal, all the sparkle in the stones, all the things that make beautiful piece of jewelry so desirable. You see right here long before the piece is even finished. If you love what you see, then we move to the next phase. If you don't, and there's something else that you'd like to see, I make those changes for you right here. I make a new rendering, and we go through that process until you're absolutely happy with everything you see. Beyond that point, then we move to the casting phase. After the initial CAD rendering, we then move on to the 3D printing stage. So we have two versions of this ring here, one for the customer to see and another for the jewelers to print. The difference being that the one that the customer sees looks exactly like the finished ring. But the jewelers can't cast this one because all the stones are printed in. So this is unusable for the jeweler's purposes. This is the one that's passed to the jewelers. All the prongs are elongated. This is what we use to actually cast the ring and set the stones, because with those elongated prongs, the jewelers have everything they need to set those stones in place, polish everything up nicely for you. So in the end, what you get is a nice, beautiful finished ring that you'll hopefully wear for a lifetime. My job is done. We pass it to the jewelers for the next stage, and beyond that, you've got a beautiful piece of jewelry. Okay, folks, and that's the whole process. So we've taken you from start to finish. Come on in to Chalmers Jewelers to see us anytime, and we'll give you the exact same treatment.